Hello guys, today I am showing you one Osint. Its name is moriarty project. Okay. Hello guys, today I am showing you one tool. Its name is moriarty project. Okay. It's a best Osint guys. It's a best Osint. It's a good Osint. Okay. So before that I'm starting the video. This video is only for education purpose. So be safe. So after that you have to be in the root. Okay guys, you have to be in the root in your Kali Linux. So this tool you run in the root. So after that go to Google and search for the moriarty project. Okay, and click the first one link. Click the first one link and you'll get the commands here guys. You can see these commands. Copy this first command, copy it, go back to your terminal and just type here. Okay, so just copy and paste it here and press enter. Okay, after that copy the second command guys, clone the tool, copy till here and paste it here guys and press enter. I already installed this one guys, that's why it's showing for me like this. So after installing this one, you have to install the Python language guys, because this tool will run in the Python. You have to install the Python language. So for installing the Python 3 language, Python apt install Python 3. Okay, you have to install the Python 3 and press enter. After installing the Python 3, make ls. Now you clone the tool, no, cd and search for that tool. Here it is, copy it and just paste it here. Sorry guys, I have to give the space here and press enter. Okay, we are in now in the this directory. Okay, after that when you make ls, you can see here we are in this directory now. So after that go back to here in GitHub, copy this one. Okay, bash install.sh. okay, copy this one and paste it in our terminal, paste it and press enter. Okay, after installing that one, go back to your GitHub, copy this the last command, copy this last command, bash run.sh. okay, and paste it here and press enter. Okay, after that you have to run this tool by typing Python. You can copy this also. Okay, Python and paste it here this. Okay, moriarty project.py. okay, this script will run in Python. Just press enter and after that it will provide you one link, the localhost link. Okay, so guys, it's provided us a localhost link. Okay, you can copy this link, copy this one and go to any Chrome or Google or any browser. You can use any browser, just copy and paste it here in the Google. See you guys, we are running successfully this tool. So we'll type help. See guys, this tool is running successfully. You can see every commands. Okay, before using this tool you have to add your number guys. Okay, so you can use this tool usefully. Add here, just type here and type any country code. Okay, just type your country code and just add this number and see guys, I am adding the number. Just press enter. You can see the phone number is added successfully. Okay, again type help again and we'll type just run. Okay, see guys, the tool is running successfully. You can see that phone numbers information. Okay, This tool is only for education purpose, guys. You can use the different tools also in this. For example, I'm showing this tool. This video is only for education purpose, so be safe. So thanks for watching, guys.